All right, so I have my Beauty in the City. I'm gonna put the top back on so I can shut up. My Beauty in the City Sugar Lip Scrub. My light is hating on me today. Like, you need the light, but the light is not aggressive. Okay, can you see that? I feel like you can't see that. Hold on, y'all. Let me see, because... Okay, we're gonna turn down the light. See if you can see that. Still hating, but you could kind of see it. Beauty in the City Lip Scrub, and it is a fluffy girl. I love her. I love her. But because my lips are so dry, again, knowing what your body needs and likes, okay? I'm just gonna add that scrub on there, keeping my lips moisturized, because moisturizing, just like watering your plants, if the things are dry, the makeup isn't gonna set on it, the lipstick gonna set on it, your skin won't be happy. So the turnover rate of your cells will be very low, which means your skin won't be able to rejuvenate when it needs to. So there you go. Now my lips feel super moisturized. But to go an extra step further, I'm going to use the vitamin C. Vitamin C is like our best friend. Beauty in the City lipstick. It's a vitamin C stick. So it's a vitamin C moisturizing stick because moisturization is key, right? So this is what it looks like. It's orange. It doesn't have a smell, but it's so silky smooth, okay? It's not the texture, okay. The texture gives, I like Burt's Bees chapstick. That's chapstick. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Because it's so smooth and silky and natural, just like Beauty in the City. And so that's how I like my products. Natural, you know, organic, vegan, no harm to animals because my cat will fight me. But yeah, so now my lips are now super moisturized and they just feel good. My skin feels good. Everything feels clean. And so this isn't a Beauty in the City product, but unfortunately Beauty in the City doesn't have a moisturizer yet. I'm excited to see what she's working on because I know they got more products coming out. So I use a different, I think it says different. If it don't say that, then y'all could say what y'all want to say. But it's a balancing moisturizer, and I just put a few pumps on my hand. One is actually good because it's a lot of product. Warm it up on my fingers, and I just add that extra layer of moisturizer to my face because moisturization is key. That was a lot. I don't think I usually put that much, but we're gonna rub it in everywhere. I feel like a little kid when my mama was putting lotion on my face, how they go like this. Black moms be whooping your butt trying to moisturize you because moisturization is important. That's why our mama was beating us with Vaseline and lotion when we was kids. You ain't finna be ashy around here. I know that's right. Make sure you get your neck. I messed that up. I didn't put my serums and stuff on my neck because you can focus on your neck. You can focus on your face, but leaving your neck out of, I just put some of the vitamin C on. Leaving your neck and your hands out of your beauty routine is gonna tell on your age, right? Because your neck and your hands age just as fast as your face. And so if you're putting all of these beauty products and taking care of your face, but your neck and your hands, have you ever seen somebody and be like, oh yeah, she look good, and then you saw their hands and they look like an old lady hands? My hands look like old lady hands, but we're working on that. So, and then, so we use the vitamin C serum. We use the Beauty in the City Lash and Brow Serum with the wand. We used the Beauty in the City Lip Scrub, the Beauty in the City Vitamin C Lipstick, all moisturizing, because moisturizing is the topic. And then I'm gonna seal everything in with my Beauty in the City Fresh Tea Face Mist. Ah, there we go. I like to shake it. I like to move it. All right. So to kind of seal in all that moisturizing and the layers of things that I just put on my face. I just spray a couple of these. This is a very refreshing spray, and I really do enjoy it. Okay, so here we go. I feel like I'm gonna run from it, but let's see. That feels so good. Feels so good. I like the way that it sprays too. It sprays like a mist, like very like shh. It's not like the you know, like when something just like a spray just kind of throws up on you, if that makes sense. So yes, so my skin is ready for bed, or is ready for makeup application. That's the thing. Whatever I do um, in my nighttime routine and my daytime routine, it's what I do to prep my skin for makeup as well. I definitely like to keep a routine. And so just like knowing your skin type, knowing your plant type and how to take care of it is just as important. I'm going to add some clips of me showing you my different plants and how I water them, how I take care of them, and where I position them, and how all of these things matter because I know the type of plant that it is, just like I know my skin type. So you know, if you want to explore products, if you want to get into makeup more, the first thing you need to do is know your skin type. Knowing your skin type will save you a lot of money, because you just won't be buying all of these unnecessary products that don't work for your skin. Just like knowing where you live, the type of weather you have, you know, the humidity of your house, how much sunlight you get, all of that matters for when you buy plants. You see, we're gonna cross the makeup and the plant situation. They go hand in hand, and I'm gonna prove my point. So yes. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope that all of these things made sense to you, and that learning your skin type, learning how to moisturize your face, learning how to take care of your face is it's the first step to makeup. It really is. And Beauty in the City offers so many, like, I don't want to say beauty products because that don't make sense. So many like skin products, right? Well, all these are skin products, but so many products that just help your skin. So again, I use the vitamin C serum, the Lash and Brow serum, the lip scrub, the vitamin E lipstick. Did I say this? The mist spray. I use a mist spray. I don't know if I pulled it up yet. And then, yeah, that was all the Beauty in the City products I use. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like my clips of my plants and my babies. I will be adding those in, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I